Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at Pro Rider Center, Texas. This quick video is part 4 of the motorcycle skills test series. Now, in this video, I'm going to cover the obstacle swerve, so hang tight. Now let me say that this video series will cover the skills test required by the state of Texas to get your Class M endorsement. But I'm sure that the requirements for other states are pretty similar. Now before I go into how this exercise is done, I first want to give you 3 tips when it comes to swerving. Now tip number 1 is that when you're swerving, you must use the counter steering technique, which means that you need to push on the right hand grip to go right and push on the left hand grip to go left. Now the faster you're going, the more you have to push on the hand grip to get the motorcycle to change direction. Now a swerve is 2 consecutive counter steers, one to avoid the hazard and then one to regain directional control. So when you're swerving, you need to push in the direction that you want to go to avoid the hazard and then push in the opposite direction to recover and straighten. Now tip number 2 is you need to keep your body upright when swerving. This allows the motorcycle to respond quicker, making for a faster change of direction. You do not want to lean with the motorcycle. Now, tip number 3 is you want to separate any braking from swerving. Now, this is very important. If you use your brakes during the swerve, you risk the chance of losing traction. Now, you also don't want to decelerate during your swerve. You want to maintain a steady speed through the swerve. Now, let's go over the skills test. For this skills test, you will start with your front tire in the red box. You will then accelerate towards the obstacle swerve area and stabilize your speed around 12 to 18 miles per hour. You want to maintain a steady speed until your front tire crosses these Q cones. Then you will swerve to the right, avoiding the obstacle while staying inside the sideline. Now after you swerve, you will stop smoothly next to the large cone. Now let me go out and ride this thing for you. Now as you can see, this exercise is pretty straightforward. But I would recommend you watching this in-depth video I did on how to swerve on the motorcycle before you go practice this exercise. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.